In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a date question in Google Forms. So what we will do today is open our Google form or create a complete new one. Once you have done that, then we can go to this interface. We have a little menu on the right side and we will click on the plus sign to add a new question. So do this and then we will select the multiple choice option on the right side. Select that and then you will find a date option. So select the date option. After that, add a question to it, like when are you available? And then make sure this one is selected, so the required option. Select that. And after that, we can publish the form and preview it by clicking on this I sign at the top interface. Select that. Now we will continue to the form. And as you can see, we now have successfully added a date question in Google Forms. If people click on the date to answer it, then a little calendar will be opened and they can select a date. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!